Hey, I'm Sue and welcome to The Art of Flavor. If you love those iced tea lemonades, from those coffee shops that everyone loves every summer, this is the episode you want to watch. You ready? Let's get started. First, we're making simple syrup. Okay, I've got equal parts of water. So it's half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar. It's 1-to-1 ratio. So you can double it and start with a cup of water and a cup of sugar. It's all going to work the same. It's all going to be easy to make your iced tea lemonades. I'm going to bring it up on medium, high to a boil, and I'm going to let it simmer for about a minute and then basically turn off the heat. You just want your sugar to be dissolved, and you don't want it to reduce. I just want it to mingle in there and dissolve. I don't like to flavor my syrup because I want a clean palate. I want a clean flavor so I can flavor it my way. And we've got a lot of flavors for you to choose. I've already made a batch and it's ready. It's cooled. It's going to keep in the refrigerator 2 to 3 months in a sealed jar is fine because it's just sugar water. Okay. Turn the heat off, you walk away, and then you've got your simple syrup. For our next recipe, we're going to make a peach green tea lemonade. I've got 2 cups of water that's almost to a boil. And I'm going to add 4 of these lemongrass green tea sachets. Okay, so I just like to twist it around this so they don't fall in. I can take them out easily. I don't have to fish for them. I'm going to let it steep for 10 minutes. Let's make the peach green tea lemonade. I've got a glass. I'm going to fill it with ice. Prepping the glass is easier in the beginning. To maneuver your garnish, it'll be more difficult. Okay, slide it in there. And keep filling that way. Okay, I can add more ice after if I want. Fill my cocktail shaker with ice. You can make this without a cocktail shaker. I just like to shake my lemonade because I like it ice cold and our tea is still cooling. But you can just stir all your ingredients into your glass and it's still just as delicious. I'm going to add about a half a cup. I'm going to add a little bit more because this is a very tall glass. It's wide on the bottom and tall on the top. Half a cup of your slightly cooled green tea. And then about 3 tablespoonfuls of the simple syrup we just made. And it's a lemonade, so I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. It's about 2 tablespoonfuls directly in. And don't forget our Hedescent peach flavor. It's about half a teaspoon. And you can sub in green mango. That's just as delicious. If you love green mango, salads, or just green mangoes in general, the nose on it's amazing. The peach is like the best peach you've ever had. I'm going to shake it until it's ice cold, basically. Okay. Ice cold. Beauty. Going to grab a little peach action here. Just a little fun garnish. And basil or mint, both work. We have basil, so let's just use basil. Poke that little guy in there. So you've got this beautiful nose of basil coming at you. You've got the best peachy flavor from Hedescent, and you've got lemon. A little bit of simple syrup, the best of summer. Oh, that's so good. A little bit of foam, just like you get in those coffee shops. And it's like the best peach green tea lemonade you've ever had. Enjoy. And next, we're going to make our second iced tea lemonade. This one is a passion fruit hibiscus iced tea. I've got my water boiling, and I've got 3 bags of hibiscus tea, and I'm going to turn the water off. You want it steep for 10 minutes again. Same drill as the green tea peach lemonade. So our tea has steeped and cooled, and I've just removed the tea bags. I'm gonna grab a glass and grab my ice. I'm gonna start by prepping my glass. I'm gonna add some mint to this, and I'm going to add a thin slice of lemon. I've got my mint there, and I'm going to make sure it doesn't float up. Okay. So that's ready. Going to fill my cocktail shaker with ice. Got the hibiscus tea here. Our pre-made simple syrup. I'm going to add another little squeeze of lemon for our passion fruit hibiscus lemonade. And then don't forget our beautiful, nope, that's not it. Nope. Passion fruit. It's about 25 drops. Passion fruit and hibiscus, it's like a floral marriage. You can't go wrong. Passion fruit, although it's available all year round, it's hard to find the ripe passion fruit that's going to work in your lemonade. If you buy a bottle, you've got the flavor all year round. You've seen this tea all over town, and now you can make it at home. I'm going to shake it until it's very cold. Okay. Go. Whoa. Whoa, I got a little excited. I'm gonna add another beautiful sprig of mint. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've got a little bit of foam, which I wanted. It is the most beautiful, fragrant, it's like walking in a tropical paradise, honestly. Okay. It's refreshing, it's beautiful, it looks like a work of art, doesn't it? It's just too beautiful to drink. And next we're going to make some fun fizzy water flavors. The first one is a cantaloupe and green mango fizzy water. Fizzy meaning sparkly. Fizzy sounds fun. I'm going to show you how to prepare ginger or ginger juice. If you're hesitant about using fresh ginger, don't be. It's very easy. They're kind of knobbly and funny shape, but you don't want to waste it. You just use a spoon and you scrape. That's how you peel a ginger. Okay, peel fresh ginger, not peel a ginger. So we just go around, and if you've got some funny knobby bits, you just keep scraping around it. Don't cut off huge pieces and then throw it away. You're just throwing away all the good stuff. I'm going to press it through a little sieve set over a bowl for my juice. You can use a fine grater or a microplane. If you have a microplane, it's a bit finer. And now you can mince ginger, garlic. I really only need about a teaspoon of the juice. You just tap it. That's how it get the excess. And then I'm going to very gingerly gather my finely grated ginger, and I'm going to press it using the back of a spoon. That's pretty much it. That's all the good stuff. That's all you need, really. So I've got my ginger juice, and I'm going to grab my glass. Fill it with ice. Prep your glass first. Nice. I washed and dried my ginger slice. I want to use it as a garnish. I'm going to thinly slice it. Okay, a little thin slice. Looks like a rabbit. I'm gonna add about a cup. That's fizzy. A cup of sparkling water. This is a larger glass, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Top it off with a little bit more ice. I'm gonna add my ginger juice and a bit of agave syrup for a bit of sweetness. I'm gonna grab my Hedison green mango. I've got it's about a half a teaspoon. I love the combination of the ginger and the green mango. It's another match made in flavor heaven. It's so aromatic. It smells like a perfect green mango salad to me. And I'm gonna grab my Hedison fresh cantaloupe flavor, 13 to 15 drops. Got about 10 drops. I'm going to give it a little stir. I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh mint. And this is your cantaloupe green mango ginger fizzy water. Okay. It's so refreshing. The fizz gets me every time. For our last fizzy water, we're making a pink grapefruit pineapple fizzy water. A lot of fizzy. Grabbing a glass, gotta fill it with ice. Prep our glass. And then just fit it into your glass. Nothing makes me more excited when it's pretty. I'm going to need about a tablespoonful of grapefruit juice. So that's going to squeeze what we cut off from the top. Don't waste it. Squeeze that juice. Okay, let's add our sparkling water, about a cup. If you have a smaller glass, you just fill it to where you want it, okay? There we go. And agave syrup again, just for a bit of sweetness. And our beautiful Kenyan pineapple. I'm gonna add about 20 drops. And the pineapple and grapefruit, it is in the same tropical family. The combo is illuminating, it's bright, it's refreshing. They're both very sparkly. Gonna make sure the agave syrup is mixed in. It's already too pretty to drink, right? I'm a sucker for mint. I'll have to smell it before you take a sip. Look how pretty that is. You've got a bit of the pink grapefruit juice coloring it, and you've got the nose of the pineapple and the mint. That's so pretty. It's pretty in pink. It's delicious. It's refreshing. There you have our fizzy drinks and our iced lemonades. You've got your summer ready and prepped. Let us know your thoughts. Drop your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss an episode. Thanks for watching. Keep it flavorful. We'll see you again. Cheers.